Hey friends, it is pumpkin spice latte season. So some of my Faster Way to Fat Loss clients, I promised a video about an alternative pumpkin spice latte with a lot less calories. So I was gonna make that for you today, show you how I did it. So if you're new to my videos, my name is Alicia. Thank you for watching. I am a military spouse, a mom of 2 teenage boys, personal trainer, and a coach for Faster Way to Fat Loss. My passion is for men and women to look and feel their best so we can effectively give back to our families, our communities, our churches, and our friends. So, did you know that a grande 2% with whipped cream pumpkin spice latte from your favorite coffee store on the corner has 380 calories? And it also has 14 grams of fat, while having 52 grams of carbohydrates, 0 grams of fiber, and 50 grams of sugar, and 14 grams of protein. So that's with 2%. So however you order your pumpkin spice latte, just wanted to give you those facts. The one I am going to make for you today and give you the recipe for only has 53 calories. It may not be a full 16 ounce though, not sure. 2.4 grams of fiber with pumpkin and 7.7 grams of carbs. Sorry, 2.4 grams of fat, 7.7 grams of carbohydrates, 1.6 grams of fiber, so a little bit higher than that pumpkin spice latte from your favorite coffee store. 5 grams of sugar, only 1 gram of protein. However, we can add some collagen to that to bump up that protein. So what I'm gonna do is start with warming up some almond milk. So I have 3/4 cup of almond milk, unsweetened. Probably any nut milk will do. And I'm just gonna heat it a little bit so my latte is not cold, but it's not super hot. So meanwhile, I have an espresso. Oh, I was gonna turn this way. Let me get my coffee going, my espresso going. It's just gonna be 1 shot of espresso. It's about 40 milliliters or 1.35 fluid ounces. So while my milk is warming, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a little bit of sweetness. I'm going to add a heaping 1/8 of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And about 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla, so just a little bit. There we go. And I'm just gonna whisk it all together. And it's warm enough. So I have my mug here. And I'm gonna add my espresso. Get out all that yummy foam. And I'm gonna add my almond milk and my pumpkin and the spice. And then for the top, so you can add, if you would like non-dairy creamer, they make that in like the Ready Whip that's non-dairy. You can add that for Cool Whip or whipped cream on the top. And then I'm just gonna do another sprinkle of the pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it. Pumpkin spice latte with only 53 calories. It's pretty good. So anyway, just wanted to share the recipe. I kind of like making up my own. Sometimes you might want a little bit more maple syrup, or maybe add a little bit more spices like cinnamon or clove or something like that. But it's a good alternative if you're trying to not use so many of your calories or macronutrients on one drink that's 16 ounces. So we do track our macros in Faster Way to Fat Loss, and we practice intermittent fasting and carb cycling. So if you're curious about Faster Way to Fat Loss, I will post the link down below. We are starting a new group on September 9th, and I would love to have you join my group. We have men's groups and women's groups. So check out the link, see a little more about it, and I hope to see you there. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. I will put the comments and the recipe down below. Thanks for watching.